Hey YouTube, this is Russ with Wrenching with Russ. Today I'm going to show you how to change your front struts with the complete struts on a 2009 GMC Canyon SLE. First thing you're going to do here is you're going to see we're taking the sway bar down. It's got a total of 4 bolts, 2 on each side. You pull these 4 bolts out and drop that front sway bar down. And then we're going to come over here, and again both sides are going to be the same. And you got a bolt on the bottom to take the strut loose, and there's 3 bolts on the top. And the easiest thing to do is make sure you got this supported on both sides, as you can see, because you're going to have a lot of weight. And what you want to do is, if you got a lift like I did, you got it made. But if you have to do this on the ground, make sure you support each side. Again, you're going to have a lot of weight on those brake lines, and you don't want to bust one of them. But the easiest thing to do here is, see this upper control arm? You're going to have to take it off. So unsnap your brake line. Don't take it loose, but there's like 3 mounts that it holds it in there. Just take that loose where you can drop this down, and then you take this bottom nut off this upper control arm. Once you take that control arm off, then you'll be able to drop this down enough to be able to pull your bottom bolt and your 3 top bolts, and then this complete strut should come straight out. Alright, this is the removal part, and I'm going to continue to show you how to do that. And then I'll show you how to put them back up in there. Like I said, this is fairly easy, but it's expensive at the shop because, of course, they charge $186 an hour. Alright, this is the installation part, and I got these off of eBay. I got the rear shocks and the front struts for $113, so it's a pretty good deal. If you can wait on them, that's your best move. So as you can see, it's got 3 nuts on the top, 3 bolts that are come on the unit itself. And all you do is, once you got the upper control arm loose and you got enough room to slide it in there. Alright, 3 bolts at the top, 1 at the bottom. Again, just make sure you don't have the tension on your brake line there. As you can see to the left there, I got just enough to move it in there, but not enough to break the line. So you got to make sure you're cautious of that. And then you just rotate this around, line the bolt holes up. And it can take a minute or two, but once you get it lined up, I always just throw one of the nuts on there just to hold it. Alright, at this point you're almost done. You're going to bolt your 3 up, put them on there loose, don't tighten them all the way down, just so that way it holds. And then you're going to get a bar or a big large screwdriver, and this bottom of this strut will turn. So you just need to line it up with your bottom mount. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. And as you get it lined up, you're just going to slide your bolt back through and bolt it back up. All right, last step in this whole thing is the upper control arm. You're just going to move the control arm into place. And then if you got a jack stand on it like I do, you can raise that up, or you can probably just manually maneuver this, and you're just going to slide it back on and bolt it up. And the last thing you need to do is don't forget to put your ABS wiring back in the mounts. And once you get that done, that's it, folks. That's how you do it. And don't forget, why pay someone else thousands of dollars when you can do it yourself? And if you like this video and you want to see more, do us a favor and hit that bell and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next one.